BUSH Spira B5 and let me show you how to set up the following device. So at the very beginning you have to locate the language that you would like to apply and then click on it. So in my case it will be English. Let me stay with English UK and then tap on next. Then you can insert your SIM card if you want to, but you can also do it later. So let me skip this step. And now it's time to connect your device with some network. In my case it's this one. And now you can copy your data from your previous phone through Google account, but I don't want to do it. I want to set it up as a fresh one, so just click on whichever option you would like to apply and then tap on next. And here it's time to log in with your Google account. Obviously you don't have to do it, and if you don't want to log in with your Google account, click on skip, but I will enter my email address right here, and it's HardReset.Info and it's 1@gmail.com and click on next. Now it's time to enter the password, so let me do it off the screen and tap on next. And here we've got some terms of service and also privacy policy. Just come along with all the conditions, and if you do agree, just click on I agree. And as you can see here, you've got some Google services. You can unmark something if you want to use this feature, but I will leave all of them and then smoothly click on next. If you'd like to add some other email address, it's the high time to do it. Just click on personal and then add it, but I will skip it for now. Obviously you can add it later through the settings, but now we can skip it as well. And if you would like to protect this phone by adding a PIN pattern or the password, you can do it now, but I will unmark it, and it also can be done later. So let me click on skip. Skip anyway. Just come along with our different tutorial on how to set up the pattern on this device on your BUSH, and that's it. Now you can also restore your apps and data from those devices, but I don't want to do it. Don't restore. Let's come along with all the information from Google, and if you agree to all the conditions, click on next. And if you would like to install some Android applications which are going to be installed, just click on install. I will tap on next then. And that's it. As you can see, your device has been activated, and now you can personalize it. I will start with changing the brightness right here, and now you can change wallpaper, add some contacts, or do whatever you want to with this phone. Enjoy the usage. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.